हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। हियर आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन डबल इंटीग्रेशन इन पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स। इन लास्ट वीडियो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इन कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट and now we'll have the in polar coordinate. So in the Cartesian coordinate we have this px comma y, and here the coordinate system, polar coordinate system is r comma theta. So this is the plane, this is called the initial line, this line is called the initial line. And if you take any point in polar coordinate p, so the coordinate will be r comma theta. R is the distance from the origin to the point, and theta is the angle of that line from the initial line. So this is the polar coordinate, and the transformation for Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate, we have x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So this is the transformation equation from Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate. So here we have xy, there will have the r comma theta. Now if you see the double integration dx dy, so how to change in the polar coordinate? So what we do, suppose here we have function of x comma y, let me write again, double integration f of x comma y dx dy. So what we do, first step, we change this function in the r comma theta using this transformation. In the place of x we'll put r cos theta, in the place of y we put the r sin theta. So this function will be in the term of r and theta, and for this we'll change the dx dy in term of dr d theta. So for that we have formula dx dy equal to Jacobian of x sky r theta dr d theta. Jacobian dr d theta. What is the Jacobian? So Jacobian equal to Jacobian of xy with respect to r theta. So Jacobian will have del x by del r and del x by del theta, first row, and second row del y by del r and del y by del theta. So this is Jacobian. So this equal to del x by del r means cos theta, fine, and del x by del theta means minus r sin theta, fine, and del y by del r means sin theta, and this is the r cos theta. So if you simplify, so we get r into cos square theta plus sin square theta. So your dx dy equal to Jacobian into dr d theta. So we got that dx dy equal to Jacobian dr d theta. So Jacobian equal to r, so r dr d theta. So dx dy equal to r dr d theta, and this function also we have changed by putting x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Now third thing, the limit. So in that Cartesian we have limit in term of x and y, but in the polar coordinate your limit will be in term of r and theta. So for finding the limit r and theta, what we do, first we draw the region of integration, and from the region we'll try to understand the limit of r and theta. So let me try one problem so we can see how we convert from Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate. So the question is, evaluate double integration x square y square divided by x square plus y square dx dy on the region A, where A is the annual region between x square plus y square equal to 1 and x square plus y square equal to 4. So what we do, first we have a transformation equation from Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate, x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So this integral will be x square, so r square cos square theta and r square sin square theta divided by r square. Okay, and in the place of dx dy we will have the r dr and d theta, r dr d theta. Now we need to find the limit of r and theta. So for that we have to go for that region. What is the region? Region is the annual region between two concentric circle, x square plus y square equal to 1 and x square plus y square equal to 4. So this is your region. So here you see r is the radius from origin. So for this region r equal to 1 and for this point r equal to 2. So your r limit will be 1 to 2. The radius r1 r equal to 1 to 2. And theta means, so this is the whole, if you start from theta here, theta 0, pi by 2, pi 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi whole. So this our region is the whole where theta vary from 0 to 2 pi. So theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. So this is now if you want to solve this one, so we'll have theta equal to 0 to 2 pi and r equal to 1 to 2, r square cancel. So we have r cube and cos square theta sin square theta dr d theta. So first you have to integrate with respect to r and treating theta as a constant. So if you integrate, so we get 0 to 2 pi and we keep cos square theta sin square theta, and r cube integration is r power 4 by 4 and limit is 1 to 2 and d theta. So this will be 15 by 4 integration 0 to 2 pi and cos square theta sin square theta d theta. Now since we have the symmetric region, so you see this is circle, this is circle, so this is a symmetric region. So area in one quadrant is same as the other quadrant. So we can suppose this is the first quadrant, so area in the first quadrant is same as the second, third, fourth. So we can do here 15 by 4 into 4 into 0 to pi by 2. So what I am doing, I am taking 4 into area in the first quadrant. So that is in the case of symmetry we can do, since we have symmetry, so we are doing here sin square theta d theta. So this is the 15 into 0 to pi by 2 and cos square theta and sin square theta d theta. Now this integration we can solve using the reduction formula in term of beta and gamma function. So for this one I have already one video for beta and gamma function. Description I will give in this the link of this video I will give in the description. So the answer will be 15 into that gamma 3 by 2 into gamma 3. So the detail of this expression reduction formula will be, the link will be provided in the description, you can check. So 15, so gamma 3 by 2 means, so 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 and again 3 by 2 means 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 and this is a 2 into 1. So we get 15 by 8, 15 by 8. So we have here we have 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is the value of integration, 1 by 2 gamma 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2 by 3. So this is a 15 by, so here we again we have 2, so 15 by 16, 16 pi. So this is the answer, 15 by 16 pi, this is the answer. And you can check the video for this integration reduction formula. Okay, now the next question, evaluate double integration 0 to 2, 0 to under root 2x minus x square, x upon x is under root x square plus y square dy dx by changing in polar coordinates. So here the limit is given. Limit, what is the limit? Y limit is y equal to 0 means x axis, and this is the y equal to 2x minus x square, and x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So this is a limits of the integration. Now we can convert by transformation, x equal to r cos theta, x equal to r sin theta. So this will be in term of r and theta, and this also we can convert. So this will be r dr d theta. The limit part you have to see. So first you have to draw the region of integration. So let us draw. So these three are okay. What about this one? Let us see what is this. This is the under root, right? Under root. So if you take y square equal to 2x minus x square, so x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. So this is a equation of circle. So we can have a standard equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle. So minus g minus f is the center. So here we'll have 1 comma 0, and radius is 1 here, that is the under root g square plus f square minus c. So under root 1 plus 0 minus 0, so 1. So 1 is the radius and center is 1 comma 0. So your circle will be, let me draw the circle here. So your circle will be radius 1 and center 1 comma 0. So this is like this. Fine. And other limit x, so this distance is 1, so 1 1 2. So x equal to 0 means y axis, and x equal to 2 means this line, and y equal to 0 means x axis. So this upper region, so this is your region of integration. Fine, this is your region of integration. Now so from this we can find the limit of r and theta. Let us convert. So x equal to r cos theta, so here we will have r cos theta divided by r, and this will be dy dx means r dr d theta, r dr d theta. So now let us have r and theta limit. So what is the r limit? So if you see from the origin distance of the point, so here we distance we have 1 2, here we have something different, this is different on this curve. Fine. So r, the r is vary from 0 to on this curve. So this circle curve, let us see what is the equation of circle in term of r. So we can get from here. Here we have x square plus y square equal to r square. So r square minus 2 x equal to r cos theta equal to 0. So if you take r limit means r minus 2 cos theta. So r is vary from 0 to 2 cos theta. So the equation of this circle will be r equal to 0 to r equal to 2 cos theta, and theta limit will be, so since this curve in the first quadrant, so theta limit will be 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. So this will be 0 to pi by 2. R cancel. So we have cos theta and we have r square by 2. R square by 2. Limit is 0 to 2 cos theta d theta. So cos theta and r square by 2, 0 to 2 cos theta. So this will be integral 0 to pi by 2 and cos cube theta d theta into 2. 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta d theta. So now again this integral can be do using the reduction formula. The link of this video will be given in the description box, you can check. So answer will be 2 into gamma half gamma 2 divided by gamma 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. So if you simplify, so we get gamma half, and this is the 1, and this is the 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and gamma 1 by 2, so 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is the answer. The next problem we have double integration 0 to infinity e power minus x square plus y square dx dy, change into polar coordinate and hence evaluate. So see, it's very simple. We'll take x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. So this limit will be e power minus r square, and in the place of dx dy we have r dr d theta. Now the limit part, we have to change the limit into r and theta. So for that we'll try to draw the region of integration. So x equal to 0 means y-axis, and x equal to infinity means it will keep on going. Similarly y equal to 0 means x-axis and infinity. So the region bounded by line x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and the infinity. So this is the first quadrant, complete first quadrant, right? This is coming first quadrant. So limit will be, r limit will be take 0, distance we have infinity, so r equal to 0 to infinity, and since it is the first quadrant, so theta limit will be 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, that's all. So this integration, so here we have e power minus r square r dr d theta. So what we do here, we take r square equal to t, so 2 dr d 2r dr equal to dt, so r dr equal to 1 by 2 dt, fine. And the t limit will be, if r equal to 0, t equal to 0, r equal to infinity, t equal to infinity. So this is a 0 to pi by 2, so 0 to pi by 2, and limit will be same 0 to infinity. So e power minus t, in the place of r dr we have dt by 2 and d theta. So this will be 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2, integration e power minus t by minus 1, 0 to infinity d theta. So 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and this will be e power minus infinity, that is 0, and minus 0 1, so we get 1 here, 1 d theta, so we get pi by 4. So answer pi by 4. So see, when we change in the polar coordinate, so your calculation will be simple and we get the answer easily. But the same problem, you proceed with the Cartesian coordinate, you may get answer, but it will be very lengthy. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.